I know it's a bit of a lash up, but I've got 60 pounds worth of weights on here. We're already primed, ready to go. We're connected up through around the back. There's a pipe here, goes to the sender, and we are connected up to 24 volts power supply down there. And then the wiper lead we're taking off to the meter. We got the negative then going back. So we are on the 250 milliamps DC, and we are showing 52 milliamps. Now, because this is a cheapie, if I'd have had my Avo here, we could have had, I would have had a better scale on. But anyway, this is just for demo purposes, remember. And so I'm going to start winding on the pressure. So we need to keep an eye on that needle there. So I'll wind the pressure up. Okay, we can see it moving already. Pressure's still going, pressure's still going. As you can see, it's a bit iffy, isn't it? It's not a smooth movement. It's not a very smooth movement at all. It's quite sporadic, if you like. We're getting near the biting point now. So we're now at 25 milliamps. We could go down a range if we wanted to. As we slowly build the pressure up, yeah, and it's very sporadic as it jerks. It's a very jerky movement, which is what makes me think that this is US. And also, there was I couldn't get any resistance across the coil whatsoever. Not even in the multi megohm range, it wouldn't do it. So I think it's a dead thing, but it does good for demonstration purposes. We can't be far off maximum pressure now because this little knob is getting a bit stiff to turn. And I know there's enough oil in there. 99 change hands. There we go. Look. Right, the weights have reached there. So 60 psi. This is showing. What's that? 85 milliamps. Yeah. Okay, so we'll let the pressure off. It comes down nicely, doesn't it? It just doesn't go up smooth. Oh, there's a jerk. And there's another one. Oh, there's another one. Go up a range. Yeah, it's very, very jerky movement, isn't it? So, I mean, even if I didn't know this was US to start with, I'd have said that it was faulty. So there you go. I'll now do this again. I'll take some stills and I'll pop them up here somewhere as we're going along. So I'll do it at minimum and maximum. So there we have. I'm losing the plot. I think it's been a life at the moment is difficult. So there we have it. An unusual piece of kit. Possibly not very often you get to see. And so I shall now stick a red label on that and give it back to the Heritage Centre, because it's not Lancaster, it's not Merlin, jet engine of some sort, I would say, and we don't have any of those at the Heritage Centre. So there you go. Right, we'll stop it here and then we'll have a wash up. Oh, there you have it. another magic piece of 50s analog technology. I love this kit. Yeah, so that's it from the workshop. Like I say, this will be going back to the Heritage Centre with a red label on it, because it's not fit for purpose. It's US, and it's not to do with the aircraft we've got. So yeah, so that's it from me. Hopefully I'll be back when I have when I'm either out on the bike tooling the back lanes of Lincolnshire if I find anything interesting to show you, or yeah, if I've got some more. Yes, I'll be back as soon as I've got some more interesting stuff to show you. Hopefully it'll either be out on the bike tooling around Lincolnshire, or some more interesting wartime or post-wartime analog stuff to show you. As you can tell, I love analog. It's far more interesting than digital because you can actually see the damn stuff working. Whereas unless you, I mean, yeah, digressing slightly, when we worked on radar development for the Tornado F3, we could see what was going on, what was coming out the main computer, but it was just it's just a series of dots or a series of lights, so that you knew what data streams were coming out. Yeah, it wasn't intuitive, shall we say, whereas analog, yeah, it's fairly basic. If you've got one thing rotating against another, you can work out what it's doing quite simply. I'm waffling again, aren't I? I do tend to waffle. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. A little bit more modern than I usually deal with when I'm working with aircraft stuff. So yeah, so I've now got to pack all this lot away and think what to do next. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, do the usual stuff: comment, rate, subscribe, ring the bell, you know, leave me some comments. Ta very much, that was good. Yeah, and hopefully yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get out a bit more soon, and I'll be able to get back down to the Heritage Centre and do something interesting, some more shots of how she's progressing. So yeah, so waffling again. So yeah, bye guys, take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, more beer, give me more beer.